Samo mi ne znam niti jezik. Prvo, to sigurno nikuje.
Today I have the great honor to welcome you here at our embassy, the home of your Kazakh friends, brothers, and I really appreciate all of you to join us this event. We tried to make something unofficial meeting of the, as we call it, Club of Friends of Kazakhstan, of my native country, homeland, and I thank each of you for joining us. And as you know, we have been planning to organize such an event for a long time, but unfortunately there was some different reasons. We found this brand new building after, you know, Corona times came, and so now it's here. We are here.
Bravo.
Today, you know, we have here friends. I know each of you, I know personally, and you are real friends of us. And I can say that for a very short of period of time, we have real friends. We thank God, first of all, and our short, brief history was begin from you know, we met here Milica and Ivana. Yes, yeah. I mean, of course, Karic family represent Kazakhstan before me, even. After we met dear Stevan, Radmila, so the owners of this beautiful building. And today we want to just show you the embassy and what is very important to present you each other to each other, and just so for political we have very real perfect relations between our countries, and for political spheres we have traditionally very good, close relations. We support every time official Belgrade's position, even in international arena, and we consider Serbia as a very important partner in the Balkan region. And so, thank you very much once again. Thank you, and I'd like to give the floor to my elder brother, Dragomir Karic, who made a lot really for our relations. And now, Karic family doing their best for our economy also. They are going to invest around 500 million euros. Just
For the start.
Hürmetli dostlar, hoş geldinizler.
Molim vas da pozdravimo prvo pojavljivanje u javnosti prve dame ambasade, gospođu Lauru Sazbibekovu. Molim vas, jedan veliki aplauz za gospođu, za majku koja je rodila 5 deca. Ajde, hoćemo takmičenje. Drago mi je da je naš prijatelj, prezident i osnivač moderne Republike Kazahstana, Nurbah modernog Kazahstana, prvi predsjednik Kazahstana, Elbasi, kako ga zovu iz velikog poštovanja, pre 4 godine, dolazeći u Srbiju, na molbu predsjednika Nikolića, premijera Vučića, na molbu Milanke Karić, na moju molbu, obećao je da će otvoriti ambasadu u Republici Srbiji. I mi danas ovdje imamo ambasadu i mladog, energičnog ambasadora sa njegovim saradnicima.
Gospodine ambasadori, dragi gosti, pa eto, ja smatram da je Kazahstan velika i prijateljska zemlja Srbiji, svakako naš odani prijatelj, ali ono što ja želim da pošaljem jednu jasnu poruku, to je da je Srbija odani prijatelj Kazahstana. I da svakako, kada je to potrebno, uvijek mogu da računam na prijatelje. Srbija nikad nije zaboravljala svoje prijatelje, tako će biti i u buduće. Želim da dugo budete ovde, dobrodošli u Srbiju, dobrodošli u vama prijateljsku zemlju i eto, ovo je prvi prijem, meni je drago što sam eto govorio o vama i šta da kažem, na mnoga je